Hi everyone. Good morning. Today is Saturday, um, 3 a.m. New York time. So in Nigeria, it's definitely 8 a.m. this morning. So this is the daily chart for Bitcoin, BTC USDT. This confirms the bearishness because this is relatively lower when compared to this high. And if we insert our what's it called? Compare with ETH USDT, what you see is ETH USD has made what? A higher high in comparison to that of Bitcoin. So we're getting something like this on ETH. At the time BTC was low, ETH was taking out that high. All right. So ETH taking out that high, and then BTC is refusing to take out that high. Okay, so BTC refusing to take out that high is showing me that BTC is weaker when compared to what ETH. Okay, see, BTC is weaker. So going into today, I wake up and I see this price action. We already talked about it in the last video, so obviously this is not a surprise. So previous daily is low, at least short term. That's where I'm looking to, see price at the end of today or the coming days, the blue from Friday. Okay. So the premise is this: there was a fair value gap that was supposed to hold for bullishness if we're indeed bullish, but look at the bodies of the candles completely closing and violating that. Okay, so this becomes an inversion, just the way ICT teaches it. Becomes an inversion, and then this is the CB you're getting to. On your 4 hour time frame, and you run into this, you're anticipating market structure shift on your 15, on your 5 minutes, running what to previous daily low. So that would be like straight up what you have to look for today on Bitcoin. So let's go to the 1 hour or the let's go to the 4 hour time frame on C. So we had this imbalance here, right? This is the SMT. So this high is lower. Look at this order block here. That's kind of what we expected. This order block, the bodies, right? We expected that. And then what? Tanked, returning into imbalances, tanking, coming here. So my bias was based off what? A dip into all of this. So we still have imbalance here on the 4 hour. So here, yeah. So that's an imbalance. Okay, I'll change the color a bit. And then visual order sent to the block. So this imbalance has my attention, engineered liquidity close to that. The buys, so these guys have been making money going into where? The CB. Okay. So the daily CB, we're getting that. A run above previous daily highs, we're getting that. Market structure, what? See, can you see like a change in state of delivery? So obviously this candle is going to close in the next 4 hour, 46 minutes. So at the end of this candle, the next candle, I want to see what we have. So let's say from four, between the hours of 4 and 5, New York time, which is 9 to 10. I'll be looking at this, seeing how we can what make this low. Okay. So anything that leads to taking out this low, probably New York sessions low from yesterday or so. This particular low. Yeah, New York 10:15 a.m. So anything that leads to taking out that city run on the 15, market structure shifts, displacement from here, and then they return into fair value. So this, but continuation setups definitely would show. You just have to be patient with them. You don't need to rush to try and get in any trades right now. Like wait for a form of Judah swing to be taken. I'm seeing this equal high, so Judah swing taken, probably trade above these highs, and then what's give me lower pricing. I would like that. But right now, I'm not in a hurry. So we're getting that displacement, but we know where price is likely to go to. So any dip into this here, focus on this level, 104,590. I'm using BTC perpetual futures contract on the Bybit. So 104,590.9. That low has my attention. And then this level also has my attention. Mind you, this is the 15-minute time frame. So 104,057.2 also has my attention. So let's see how each of these levels, play out today. Okay. There will be no need to try and rush to do anything. Obviously, it's weekends, but a lot is going on in the economy. So there are lots of opportunities, lots of volatility around. So I'll be leveraging and looking for this idea on Bitcoin. Last thing I want to do is put on my indicator just for the sessions, okay? So we can explain kind of what we have going on. So run below the higher side that was made yesterday. We had that. And then Asia session, right? We're running above these highs, market structure shift, return to fair value, and what's displacing. So we're PM sessions low from yesterday, the low from 2:30 p.m. So obviously we have that and we have imbalance here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of get here, rally up, and then what come down. Either ways, I'm more interested in what shorten BTC. Okay. So yeah, hold that in place and let's see what we have at the end of the day. So yeah, bless you guys. See you in the next video.